you. Want to hug me, I don't know why I think I like you.
Anybody underestimate me? You know I'm a rasta, you know I'm the panda, you know what you can't, but you they make me calm down. You they shake my data, you they cut my sandals, you they off my lantern. I used to be a...
Hey royals, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed this 13x4 deep wave curly unit that I got from Arabella hair company. The wig came in this cute little box right here, and it's 14 inches, but I went in to layer the wig a little bit more. I'm also going to be showing you how I laid my baby hairs as well. I only actually use box dye to do this color. I use the Dark and Lovely color in 376, and this is Hot Red Rhythm, and my Cream of Nature, and this is Hot Red Burgundy. So I only use these two box dye to achieve this hair color without using any sort of bleach. So if you are interested in that kind of content, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this install. So the company that I'm going to be collaborating with today is Arabella Hair Company. This is their 14-inch deep wave wig. Inside of the box, along with the wig, I received some goodies. I received some eyelashes, this goodie bag with more goodies. Inside of the bag as well, I received another pair of eyelash, this cute little fashion clip, and another clip that you can put your hair up with. I also received this edge brush, a pair of stocking cap, and this silk head scarf. So let's talk about the cap construction of this wig. So this wig is a 14-inch 13x4 deep wave wig. It came with elastic bands inside. It also has 3 combs behind of the lace, 1 to the back, and this hair is pre-plucked. So I went ahead to bleach the hair, so I'm going to be showing you all the products that I used. So what you'll need is a mixing bowl, your developer, and your bleaching powder. I also went in to dye my hair with these 2 box dye, my Dark and Lovely Hot Red Rhythm and my Cream of Nature in the Hot Red Burgundy. So I went in to bleach my hair with my Color Capture bleaching powder, and I mixed that with my 20 volume Clairol developer. And what I did, I mixed it into a toothpaste consistency. So after I have the mixture the way I want it, so I'm just going ahead to bleach my hair using the mixture. So after that, I went in to dye my hair in the color that it is now. So let's jump right into the wig installation part of this video. So I'm just using my going to prep my hair with my Gorilla Snot gel to sleek everything back before I begin my ball cap method. Once I have everything sleeked back, I'm just gonna tie down my hair a bit. Right here I went in and I colored the hair. So this is the color of the wig. So yeah, when I have it the way I want it, I'm going in with my Bold Hold active glue, and I'm just gonna do 1 layer of that. I would advise you to put the glue in front of your hairline and not on top of your hairline. I'll take the end of my razor comb just to blend everything out. So while it is drying, I'm going in with my contour palette. And your girl is bald. Okay.
So I'm then going in with my black opal foundation in the shade Carob just to put it into the lace, and then I'm going to take my blast free spray and then I'm going to blow dry that. So after I have the wig lined up how I want it, I'm going to be using my Bold Hold Active Glue today to do this install. I'm going to be applying 3 layers of glue today for extra hold. So I'm just going to work on that until I finish applying all 3 layers of this glue. So after the glue is dried, I'm going to start to pull the lace onto the glue, and when I have it the way I want it, I'm just going to push it into my skin by using my rat tail comb, and then I'm just going to blow dry that for extra security. After I finish laying the lace onto the glue, I'm just going to begin to cut off the extra lace to the front portion. So I'm just going to work on that.
And I'm going in with my free spray. What I like to do, I just like to pat it on my hand and just put it over where the hair is to further lace a little bit more. So I'm thinking about cutting it, but at the same time I like it as is. And everything is laid, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and pluck out a few more. Then if any glue is showing, I'm going in with my contour palette and I'm just gonna put the contour powder on top, just to make sure that everything is blended in. Now it's time for me to work on my baby hairs. I think they're gonna be a bit dramatic.
So I'm just gonna continue to finesse my baby hairs.
Okay, so now I'm going in with my rubbing alcohol to clean off any sort of excess gel to the front portion. So this wig is giving, the color is really nice. Like the length on this unit is super gorgeous for 14 so you guys, this wig is from Arabella Hair Company and this is their 13 by 4 deep wave wig. So this is their detectable transparent lace human hair deep wave wig 13 by 4, and the price for this unit is $133.75. For 14-inch, you guys, this unit was super long. I just cut a little bit of hair off so that it can be more even to how I like it. And the color on this unit came out really well using box dye only, you guys. I just used my Cream of Nature in hot red burgundy and my Dark and Lovely in hot red rhythm. I'll also leave all the links for these hair dyes in my description bar down below. The wig was soft straight out of the box. I washed it, I dyed it, so I dyed the hair and it still is super soft, you guys. Like this hair is really nice. Like the lace, it's undetectable lace, and you guys check out my baby hairs. Like, so you guys, this is the end result of my install. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and until next time, see you in my next video, and always remember to put God first in everything that you do.